Buying a used motorcycle can be an excellent way to get a great bike for a fraction of the price of a new one. However, not all used motorcycles are created equal. While some models offer years of dependable service, others can quickly turn into a nightmare due to serious engine problems. A bad engine doesn't just ruin the riding experience, it can also cost thousands of dollars to repair and lead to countless headaches. Beyond repair costs, these issues often include frustrating downtime and reliability concerns that can turn even a dream motorcycle into a disappointing burden. As per consumer reports, several motorcycles from recent years have developed severe engine issues that can result in catastrophic failure, requiring costly rebuilds or replacements. To help you avoid costly mistakes, we've compiled a list of 10 used motorcycles that are notorious for bad engines. Along with this, we'll provide insights into their typical market prices, repair costs, and the potential financial impact of ownership. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned rider, this list is essential viewing. Let's go from bad to worse. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more informative content like this. Now let's jump into the countdown. Number 10, 2015 Ducati Multistrada 1200. The Ducati Multistrada 1200 is an adventure bike that delivers incredible performance on both paved roads and rugged trails. However, the 2015 model year has been plagued by reports of engine reliability issues. Riders frequently report problems with cylinder heads failing prematurely and oil leaks that can escalate into costly repairs if left unaddressed. These issues have tarnished the reputation of an otherwise capable machine. These problems typically appear between 20,000 and 30,000 miles, well before most riders would expect significant engine issues. Repairing these faults can cost thousands of dollars, with some owners facing complete engine rebuilds. Beyond these issues, owners have also noted inconsistent performance in higher gears, a frustrating drawback for those planning extended tours. With used prices ranging between $8,000 to $12,000 depending on mileage and condition, repair costs of $3,000 to $6,000 significantly inflate ownership expenses. For prospective buyers, this makes the Multistrada 1200 a risky investment despite its attractive performance. Number 9, 2013 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a cruiser that commands respect with its iconic design and smooth riding experience. However, the 2013 model year has been criticized for persistent engine problems. One of the most common issues is oil pump failure, which can lead to dangerously low oil pressure and eventually catastrophic engine damage. For riders relying on consistent performance, these problems can be a deal breaker. These problems often arise between 20,000 and 40,000 miles, leaving owners with the repair bills exceeding $3,000. Many riders have expressed frustration over the lack of warning signs before the oil pump fails, making the issue even more troublesome. Additionally, owners have reported issues with overheating on longer rides, compounding the reliability concerns. Priced between $10,000 to $15,000 on the used market, adding $3,000 to $5,000 for potential repairs can turn this cruiser into an expensive liability. While the Street Glide has its loyal fans, the 2013 model is a gamble many would rather avoid. Number 8, 2016 KTM 1290 Super Duke R. The KTM 1290 Super Duke R is known for its aggressive styling and thrilling performance, earning it the nickname The Beast. However, the 2016 model year has struggled with engine reliability issues that undermine its reputation. Common complaints from owners include overheating, clutch failures, and fuel pump malfunctions, all of which require costly repairs and significantly affect rider confidence. These problems typically surface around 15,000 miles, leaving riders with repair bills that can range from $2,500 to $4,000. Additionally, some riders have reported abrupt stalling, especially during low-speed maneuvers, raising safety concerns. Priced between $10,000 and $13,000 on the used market, potential repair costs make this high-performance bike an expensive gamble for buyers who may not want to risk long-term reliability issues. Number 7, 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100. The Triumph Bonneville T100 is a motorcycle that blends retro aesthetics with modern performance, making it a favorite among riders who value style and substance. However, the 2014 model year has been flagged for engine issues that are hard to overlook. Owners have reported problems with excessive oil consumption, overheating, and timing chain failures, which detract from the otherwise enjoyable riding experience. These issues often appear between 15,000 and 25,000 miles, requiring costly repairs or even complete engine rebuilds in severe cases. Compounding these issues, riders have noted inconsistent throttle response and frequent misfires, further detracting from the bike's reliability. Typically priced between $6,000 and $9,000, repairs for engine issues can range from $2,000 to $4,000, turning this charming retro bike into a potentially costly investment. Number 6. 2013 BMW R1200 GS. The BMW R1200 GS is a staple in the adventure touring world, renowned for its versatility and performance. However, the 2013 model year has been plagued by engine problems that tarnish its reputation. Common complaints include cracked cylinder heads, fuel pump failures, and excessive vibration that affects the riding experience, making it less enjoyable on extended trips. These issues typically arise around 18,000 miles, leaving owners with repair bills that can easily exceed $5,000. Moreover, some riders have reported premature clutch wear and electrical issues that exacerbate the already significant reliability concerns. With used prices ranging from $10,000 to $14,000, repair costs of $5,000 to $7,000 can turn this adventure icon into a major financial burden for unsuspecting buyers. Number 5. 2015 Ducati DL. The Ducati DL is a cruiser that stands out for its aggressive styling and powerful performance. However, the 2015 model year has been flagged for engine issues that significantly impact its reliability. Common problems include timing chain failures and oil leaks, both of which can lead to more serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. Additionally, cooling system issues have left riders frustrated during prolonged rides. These problems often emerge between 15,000 and 25,000 miles, with repair costs exceeding $4,000 in some cases. With used prices ranging between $9,000 and $13,000, adding $3,000 to $5,000 for repairs makes the DL an expensive risk for buyers who want both style and substance without compromising reliability. Number 4. 2014 Indian Chief Vintage. The Indian Chief Vintage is a classic cruiser that combines timeless design with modern technology. However, the 2014 model year has been criticized for engine reliability issues that can lead to costly repairs. Common complaints include engine stalling, excessive oil consumption, and overheating, all of which detract from the otherwise premium riding experience. These problems often surface around 20,000 miles, with some owners reporting repair costs upwards of $3,000. Additionally, the limited availability of replacement parts for older Indian models can make repairs even more expensive and time-consuming. Priced between $12,000 and $16,000, potential repair costs of $3,000 to $5,000 further elevate the total cost of ownership, making this model year a challenging prospect for buyers. Number 3. 2016 Moto Guzzi California 1400. The Moto Guzzi California 1400 is a unique cruiser that offers a distinct blend of Italian styling and V-twin performance. However, the 2016 model year has been marred by engine reliability issues. Common problems include overheating, oil pump failures, and engine knocking that can lead to significant performance degradation, leaving owners disappointed with their purchase. These issues typically appear between 10,000 and 20,000 miles, leaving owners with repair bills that can quickly climb into the thousands. Furthermore, some riders have reported erratic fuel injection performance, causing surging at steady speeds. Priced between $9,000 to $12,000, repair costs of $2,500 to $4,000 add a significant financial burden to this stylish but unreliable cruiser. Number 2. 2015 CanAm Spider RT. The CanAm Spider RT is a unique three-wheeled touring machine that offers a distinctive riding experience. However, the 2015 model year has faced serious engine reliability concerns. Owners frequently report problems such as overheating, timing chain failures, and excessive vibration, which significantly affect its performance on long tours. These issues often arise between 15,000 and 25,000 miles, with repair costs that can easily exceed $5,000. Adding to the frustration, riders have reported electronic issues that interfere with the bike's advanced systems, including its traction control and cruise control. A used 2015 CanAm Spider RT costs between $15,000 to $20,000, but repair costs of $5,000 to $7,000 make it an expensive risk for buyers seeking reliability. Number 1. 2013 Harley-Davidson V-Rod. The Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a bold and powerful cruiser that has earned a loyal following for its distinctive styling and performance. However, the 2013 model year is notorious for engine failures. Common complaints include overheating, oil pump malfunctions, and excessive engine noise that can indicate serious internal damage, leaving owners stranded and frustrated. These issues often appear between 10,000 and 20,000 miles, with repair costs that can exceed $6,000. Riders have also reported trouble with the transmission, including gear slippage and difficulty shifting, further diminishing the bike's reliability. With prices ranging between $10,000 to $14,000, factoring in potential repair costs of $6,000 to $8,000, makes this model year one of the most financially burdensome options on the market.